There we go. Good morning, good morning. The 5th of March, another trading day. It's Friday. So let's see what we can get today. It's a dangerous day, NFP today. So, let's take it easy. Good morning, guys, in the Zoom.
Morning.
Good morning.
How's it going, guys?
Yeah, pretty good, man. What about you?
Yeah, awesome, man. Awesome.
Cool.
What's going on?
Hey, man. Long time no see.
Yeah, no, I'm back.
Good, man. Did you win any of the games or not?
You mean Apex?
Yeah.
Yeah, a couple.
Nice, man.
I'm not the best at it, but just having fun.
Yeah.
Hey, good morning, guys.
Yo.
Good morning, man. Let's see what we got today. Pushing.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
Yeah.
So I think I'm gonna take a buy over here with this candle closing above.
Okay. I'm gonna take it easy.
See if the next one breaks that high.
Yeah, I'll wait for the 30 minutes to close. For me, it wasn't enormously valid because it directly closed that point. But what's your entry?
Me, I didn't take anything yet.
Oh. Oh, the break of the eye. You're gonna take it.
Yeah, because
280.
it looks pretty clean even on the 5-minute.
Yeah, I'm waiting on that also. Break of the high.
Pretty cool.
Actually, it makes a lot of sense.
And then last trade.
But stop loss is not fun.
Yeah, true. It's pretty big.
Yeah.
But if you take it based on the break of the high, then you're gonna like manage risk based on this candle. Kind of a similar situation to yesterday where we had a daily wick to fill.
Yeah.
But this time we've got a much cleaner range to the left. So
Yeah, if we close above that.
I played around in that range last night like an idiot and lost twice.
yeah, it was.
Why?
I don't know. I think I was like, I have no idea. Wish I had a good answer.
Well, I think for me, it was very tricky because man, that 1 hour it went bullish and flipped bearish at least 5 times, man.
Yeah.
So we kept managing risk, and yeah, we just like, at least I choked myself out of it. But
wait, when was that?
Yesterday when we were taking buys, remember, based on the 1 hour closing. Like that candle, it went bullish, bearish at least 5 times during that 1 hour time period.
Yeah, but looking back, no trade should have been taken, at least me personally, because 0.600 never broke, not once. There was no break and close above 600.
Yeah, I'm looking for the 30 minute to close, like right here. Because then it, closed above here. Probably gonna break the high. Yeah, because we just made a nice move now already. We're just in an uptrend. Made a break and retest. Retested pretty much this level right here. So, yeah, looking pretty good. I wasn't expecting such a nice setup on GTA today.
True.
Yeah, personally, I'm waiting for that 30-minute just to close above here. It's Frankfurt open at that time.
Indeed.
It's Friday, so I don't want to go too fast. I mean, it would make sense. Yeah, go ahead.
NFP today as well. So.
Yeah. Yo. Hey, bro. Master.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Oh, Ballard. 23. Nice.
Yeah, but I'm looking at one other one as well. That's F cell. All of them drop. All of the Fusel drop. Fusel, you know how high it's been the past. Where it came from.
Oh wow.
Been to like.
Holy Jesus Christ. 7,000? 8,000? Is this Bitcoin or something?
Now you just got a, cheap entry right here.
Yeah.
And it's one of the leading companies in fuel cells for cars. So.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah. Might, divide it over fuel cell and battery power system.
True. Yeah, for me at this point, impulse entries are out the window. I'm gonna wait for the candle to close.
Yeah, so it's 10 minutes till 1 hour. And if we start closing above, it's gonna be a good run up because we've got clean traffic to the left. I know it's Friday at the end of the day, so better be safe than sorry. Yo, hey, I withdrew like 5 days ago on Vantage, yeah. And the withdrawal is still processing.
Oh wow.
Yeah, like what's going on? So I emailed them, messaged them. They all get stupid replies. That's why I hate Vantage FX. The support team is trash. Really bad.
And oh, okay. Wait. I see GJ on the 5-minute is doing like a break and retest.
I'm looking to enter at the high.
Same.
So that's my plan.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. Looks good to go.
Stop loss is going to be about 9.7, 9.6.
Are you going to have it below the current candle?
Current 5-minute or the previous 5-minute. That's how I'm looking to manage.
Yeah. Looking it's going to break it now.
Yeah.
I think I'm going to get in it too, because at that point, there's a good chance the 30-minute will close bullish above this level.
Yeah.
And it's last 10 minutes, so let's see.
I'm ready. Finger on the trigger.
Finger on the button. Finger on the button. Let's go, GJ. Make my weekend happy.
I think it's going to do one or two things.
Yeah. It's going to fuck you up. It's going to be good.
Should be good, man. GJ's very obedient.
It's teasing.
Yeah, it's just like hangs in there, just hangs in there on the top tip.
You want like a pip above the end tip.
Yeah, it's a pip above.
Yeah.
I've placed a buy stop.
Buy
so,
stop, yeah.
Yeah. It's like the spread is about 6, 7 pips, 8 pips, 0.8 pips. So just like a pip above is fine.
Well, MetaTrader is actually higher than on my. Oh, it just broke.
Yeah,
Anyone
I'm not
in?
in yet. Not in yet. 0.
Waiting for 290. Like the bid to go above 290.
Same here.
On my broker. Oh, there we go.
Yeah,
in?
I'm in.
In as well.
And
Let's
yeah,
go.
Luke.
We're in.
About
190, 295.
94 is the price I got.
See, the 5 minutes closing in a minute, and if that closes with a wick, then we're good to continue.
Let's go, bud. Let's go.
My stop loss.
It's like 10 pips.
I don't understand why I'm not allowed to.
Can you not drag and drop your
No, I
stop
can't.
loss?
I'm not allowed to do that.
Do you have one-click trading enabled?
Where is that?
Press Alt T, and if something pops up, then you should have it enabled, right?
Nothing
Yeah,
pops up.
Alt-T.
Nothing
Do
pops
you
up.
get? I think it's because you don't have one-click trading enabled.
Where can I enable that?
So either like Luke said, like Master P said, Alt-T, or right-click on the chart anywhere, and when that thing comes up, then it should be like the 4th list down. One-click trading.
I'm not allowed to do anything now. It just freezes.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm not allowed to even touch my chart now.
Oh, your whole platform is frozen.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a different issue.
Yeah, now it's good. It's good again.
That's Vantage.
It's good. No, it's IC market now. Okay. How do I? Okay, I have it right here. I have the right thing open, and then
MT5 one-click.
do I need to go to properties or?
Let me see. Is simply open the chart you want to trade on, right-click the chart, select one-click trading, and accept the terms.
Oh, I got it. Yeah, I got it.
Oh, perfect.
I got it. Now it should work.
The terms.
My God.
Okay, guys, I've got
now
one
it still
confession.
doesn't work.
You got it? Did you get it?
It still doesn't work. I did it. I opened it, and it still, for some reason, says position blah blah blah.
I think you have to like accept the terms and condition once and see how it goes from there. Okay, I've got a little bit of confession to make from yesterday. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, from yesterday.
Yeah, well, this trade happened yesterday, and I wish like everyone just takes this on board and never repeats the mistake that I made.
Mm-hmm.
So, I've only got 2 tabs open, right? GBP, JPY, and gold, XAU, USD.
Mm-hmm.
Right? I was analyzing in my Tradingview, in my second screen, and I trade from my first screen, right?
Oh.
I was analyzing there, and I was like, okay, it's a buy in GJ. Come over, press buy without really looking, because it's just like one-click trading. Yeah, I just press the buy, and guess what? I bought in gold.
Oh, gold.
I bought in the wrong screen.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh yeah, that's fucked up.
that already happens to me.
Oh, every time
immediately it went down to like 12 pips and hit my stop loss. I'm like, what was going up? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I lost like quite a considerable amount, which is like I lost the day's play basically yesterday. I lost my day's allocation, and I was just like, oh my God. So what I've done now is, because I'm playing with 2 screens, right? I've got one which is like in white background, which is for GJ, and one in like black and gold for gold.
Oh, nice.
Just
we could
so that
expect
I can
a pullback soon on the 1 hour. Oh, even sorry that I had to cut it up, but yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. So as you said, even if it does go down in to create the lower wick in the 1 hour, I think I'll still hold.
Yeah, because it's then it's going to be just a structured trade, candles closing above. So for me, that's turning into a structured trade.
Exactly.
Only I have a better position in. But I do want this candle to close with a wick.
A wick on the upside, on the
Yeah,
upside.
yeah.
So as I was saying, like what I've done is white and black for my GJ and black and gold, like black background and gold candlesticks for my gold screen.
That's really cool.
That's
good idea.
Good.
So
Good
well,
idea.
it cost me like 1 day's risk, which
Yeah.
is like frustrating.
Yeah.
Very frustrating.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah, it's good that you manage it like this, and you make sure that you don't make the same mistake again by changing everything.
Yeah. And guess what? That gold and that GJ went up to hit like my target as well. So it's literally 2, isn't it?
And yeah, so about the broker, you used Vantage and you switched to IC Markets.
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
And do you like it now, IC Markets? Because I'm
Yeah, I
with
like it.
Vantage too.
I like it. It's better spread, to be honest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's not much of a difference, but you do see it sometimes that the spread is just better. And my biggest issue on Vantage is that the support team is just...
I thought it was alright. I had problem once. I called them and...
Candle closing 10 seconds.
But yeah, I mean, after... I mean,
a little wick.
Not like I call them every day.
Small wick. I don't know if I like this.
Need a little
if it closes without one,
it's good. It's good.
Gonna...
No, it's good.
Good.
Okay.
For me, on my Vantage, it closed with one.
I guess I'm just gonna leave it running.
Yeah. Just let it do some. Ooh.
Just needed to break the high.
How many pips did I into?
6. I had 6. If it breaks this 5-minute low at 290 at break even, probably gonna close 50%.
Yeah. Good idea. No, it makes sense that 1 hour is doing some sort of a pullback now. But at the end of the day, it's free to continue up as well. But
true.
Let's go up.
I mean, the first couple minutes is always a mess. So just kind of wait, be patient, see what it brings.
So it brings 0.400.
Yeah. 400 is already pretty nice. I mean, it made a low now for the 1 hour.
Yeah.
The only thing it has to do is flip and break the high.
And once this breaks the high, we're all set.
Hopefully. You never know. It's GG at the end of the day. You might hit 6 pips and then turn around again. Like, no, we're not going to do that.
In YouTube, a friend of mine is there, Ellen Koyman. She's from Amsterdam, I think. Yeah.
Okay.
Shout out to Ellen.
Yeah. Hello, Ellen. Good morning.
Yeah. Don't get over hot cases. Don't jinx it.
Nah, man, nothing's going on here.
Nothing whatsoever.
Got gold is going bullish.
Now, if price comes back to my entry after being 6.6 pips into profit, yeah, then I'm gonna close
half.
Yeah, 75%.
Yeah, me too. 60%. But I'm gonna close my profits manually. So like if it goes 10 pips, 9 pips, I'm gonna start closing manually and see if it can shoot up an extra 1 or 2 pips.
Yeah.
Since we should fill the whole range. We'll see. I might even hold the runner. I might even hold it until 15 pips.
Now this is my dangerous level at around 8 pips. Where
look, that's psychological, man. That's just psychological for you, bro. Because you've got clean candle at least up until 410, as Investing Yen was saying.
Yeah, no,
you've
but
got like good range, and that's like another 5 pips.
Yeah, I know. I trailed my stop loss below the current candle. So my stop loss is now right here. How many pips was that?
7 pips.
So it's going to do the same to me again. 7.3 pips. Yo, next week I'm just going to close at 7 pips because I'm getting fucking tired of this.
Patience, my boy, patience.
Yeah, I know, but it's at the end of the day, it gets really annoying if you already miss 3 trades with 2 pips difference. Like this.
It's coming back.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Fucking 7, 8 pips, and then GG just turns around, just like yesterday twice.
London has just been weak with pushes.
Yeah, very weak. I'm surprised if it's even gonna hit my I take profit level. I'm really surprised if it does that.
I think it should, but how it's gonna do that?
I got no idea.
Structurally, it's perfect right now.
It's gone.
Did you close it?
Not yet. I'm about to.
Yeah, me too. In a second.
I'm still in.
Yeah, me too. I want to see like -1 pip show up on my screen.
Yeah, me too. That's why my stop loss is.
Yeah, I saw like 0. Oh, -1.1. No, I mean 0.1.
What entry do you guys have?
295.
Oh wow, I have 294.
I have to -94 as well. Are you with IC Markets, Master P?
Yeah, IC Markets.
Yeah. So I was like, same man.
IC Markets gonna come to us. They're gonna see our accounts. They're like, hey, you guys copy trading over here? Oh,
I'm up. Fully up.
Fully up.
Yeah.
I'm like half out.
Yeah, I'm still way in.
I'm fully out too at this point.
What's your entry on Investing Yen?
300.
That's what I mean. That's what I was fucking thinking about, 7, 8 pips, and then price just turns. Like,
all right.
Exact same as yesterday. Exact same.
Ah, delicate.
That's what I was saying. I had such that feeling it's gonna do the same again. Man, fuck you, GJ. We're fucking this over the last week by doing this. Just the moves are so weak. Like, sometimes it just starts racing, and then in London, it's just like, nah, we ain't gonna do that.
I think
we ain't gonna do that.
Had, like, very bullish or like moves on volume in agent session, and it often leads up to slow moves in Frankfurt and London. Yeah, so that's why I didn't take the trade.
Yeah, I'm all good because I pretty much got out of break even, so it's at the end of the day, yeah, like negative 0.5 pips, but break even for me.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, so I'm all good, we'll give it a try. This is the only trade I'm probably gonna take on GJ today. If it doesn't, I mean, again, it didn't push. Like, why should I take another trade when I know this week is just trash with the volume?
Yeah, candle closed with no wick. But now it's doing a retest.
Yeah, sort of a retest. But I don't want to be in after hitting 7.3 pips profit already. You know,
True.
Doesn't make sense for me. 7.4 or whatever, how many.
Yeah, pretty soon I might make gold my main bitch over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, everyone's making the switch now. Even
Yeah.
Raja.
Oh, yeah, true. Raja is even trading gold. Yeah, gold more and more.
Yeah.
Yep.
Every day.
I so want to take my revenge trade against gold from what happened yesterday.
Yeah, you gotta get that out of gold now.
Yeah, no, I'm not gonna think like that, bro.
Nah,
I'm not gonna
exactly.
think like that. I mean, it's so frustrating. Like I've seen so many like entries in gold, but I'm just like, no, I'm not gonna revenge trade because I need to make my like 11, 12 pips back, 12 pips back.
But look, if you look on the 30-minute of yesterday's London session. Oh, that's not the right one. This is where we started, 7:30. We still had that push. We started buying right here on these two candles, and the rest it just.
I took that sales.
Fuck all.
Yeah, that the big candle.
This one.
As soon as it broke that low, I
Here.
took 10 pips in like 10 seconds. Yeah.
Yeah.
As soon as you close the trend,
It's
it was like a rejection in higher time frame, and
okay.
then yeah, and 4-hour candle was anticipated to turn bearish, so I took that sells after the stream closed.
Yeah, it was like when we entered, it was like 8 pips back down, 8 pips back down, and later on this candle did it. But yeah, that's when already the 30-minute closed bearish, so trade wouldn't have been valid for me anymore. Like if the trade only got me like 4 or 5 pips profit, and not 6 pips, yeah, I would have at 6 pips I would have closed 50%. But if I see like 7, nearly 7.5 pips, nearly my break-even level, yeah, then it's already for me a point to say like I'm gonna just close 50%. Because if I was in drawdown right now, and that's the drawdown is as well 6.6 pips down. That's a lot of money. While being in profits first, seeing those profits first on your account, So you want to, be careful with your capital. If you've seen the money, let it go, man. Just take it out. Don't let yourself go into drawdown because that's gonna hurt yourself in the long run.
True.
Yeah, there's Ellen. There's and the YouTube chat. Yeah, there's a couple of guys here from the Netherlands. So yeah. Thank you for watching us. Hopefully, most of the guys got out as well at break even.
Nope, still in.
Still in, nice. Yeah, might do a retest on the 15-minute. Just retest at this level, and then the next candle to go bullish.
Yeah, it still makes sense to go bullish. Like yesterday,
yeah,
you just have to be patient. But
for me, this isn't valid anymore, so I don't care if it goes. If it goes 10 pips, okay, do your thing. But you just gotta follow your plan. If you hit those many profits, and in your plan it says if you hit that, you're not allowed to go below break even anymore, then just make sure that you follow it. I didn't hear what you said, Nick. What do you say?
Stick to the plan.
Yeah, stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. 100%.
Yeah, I'm still in. I've got half my position in.
Yeah, bro. I told you 7-8 pips.
What I noticed was like yesterday, especially like the lower time frames where lows would get broken, but the higher time frames would have to pay attention to like hourly or 30-minute.
Yeah. I know, I understand, Roberto. If you can't handle the red, you don't deserve the bread. I understand. But at the end of the day, if you make so much, if you've seen above 8 pips profit, why would you want to see the red again? Like, okay, I understand if you had 2-3 pips profit and you're in the red, no issue, no problem. If you've seen profits, why would you let yourself go into drawdown again? There's no need for you to let yourself go into drawdown again if you've seen profits. So
swing trader mentality, I guess.
Yeah.
Pretty sure swing traders go from seeing like 100 pips to 50 pips, then 200 pips.
Yeah, I don't mind to be in drawdown, 100%. It's not fun, but I don't mind it if I haven't seen enough profits yet.
I mean, I realized that, because I used to do what Raja does, like, oh, touching my entry, I'm closing half, but I'd rather just wait for something to break, like the break of a low on a 15 or 30, preferably 30.
Yeah.
Because now I'm using magic keys again, so I've been putting my stops below a 30-minute candle versus a 15.
Yeah.
But of course, if it breaks a 15-minute low, I'll close partials.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, like looking at the 5-minute.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Just another break-in retest, just created another high, higher low, small higher low. The trend isn't that strong, but should continue up if this one is going to close bullish.
Man, at this point, I don't even trust you.
Yes. If you look on a 5-minute.
Nah, I don't go anything lower than 15. Personally.
You still in?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah,
Holding it to 0.400.
Yeah, pretty good.
Until some low gets broken.
5-minute closed above most of our entries, so with a wick.
Even if you have a look at the 15 minutes, even this 15 minute, it's a very bullish candle, because it's a very bullish 15-minute candle.
It pretty much just retested this level, what I got marked based on the 30-minute, so it should continue moving up now and turning. If it's gonna break that 30-minute high, it's gonna fly.
Just gotta give it time.
Looking for a second chance because I closed my other one at break even, so that allows me to give it a second chance, right?
There you go.
Yeah, I think a good second chance maybe in the 5 minutes, like at the break of the high.
Look at that retest. Damn, that's a perfect retest right there.
Yeah.
Just tapped it, went back up.
Oh, the second, Master P, if you look at 5 minutes, second chance entry could potentially be right now under the previous 5-minute.
I'm waiting for the 15 high to break.
Yeah, either one or the other. But I think it should go.
Yeah, I think so too.
Anytime now.
So let's go, buddy. I'm thinking of adding that position back as well.
Did you close 50%?
I closed 50% and break even.
Wait, Master, you still in, right?
No, I closed also everything at break even.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it is what it is then. It is what it is. Guys, I put the YouTube link in the chat. If you guys could maybe give it a like, that'd be awesome.
Done deal.
Small effort. What do you say, Nick?
Done deal.
Perfect.
That's like one of the first things I do as soon as I open.
Yeah, but we got 24 people in. Like a minute ago, we had 27. We only have, now we have 8 likes, 2 likes added. But
Let's go.
Come on.
There we go. There we go.
Just tap 400. Come
on. Nick, where are you looking at the potential targets for this?
Top of the range, 600. Because I still have a runner in from earlier today.
Right. Yeah. I'm also looking at like mine is at 650 odd.
Yeah, if it taps 600, I'll take it. The entry I just put in is 10 pips is at 400, and then the runner is still going to 600. This is Jesus, man.
It's been a flirt, man. Trust.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I had to like really sit back and kind of redo my trading plan a little bit today. Because last night we realized like London, in the long run, isn't always the trendiest.
It's not consistent. London.
Not at
London is just not a consistent session sometimes.
But are the other sessions?
No.
Okay.
Yesterday, New York was amazing, man.
Yeah,
Yesterday,
but
New York and after New York was like beautiful.
New York has more moves than London at the end of the day.
Well, I don't know.
But sometimes,
the people that trade New York, they say London is the best session.
We say New York. Because they see the move that happened in our session. And normally we don't. Normally Asian doesn't move, so now we moved up from Asian. And I think every time we move up from Asian session, we just see less volume in our session.
Yeah.
I think that's the issue. And that's why we're only seeing pushes of like 7-8 pips constantly, and just a pull back again, and then maybe 7-8 pips again, and then pull back again. Because I got like 4 break-even trades this week that hit like 7-8 pips profit.
Yeah, I think it's been a good point, because Asian was like a 70 pip move.
Yeah, very big.
It is looking at that, like, look for a smaller Asian range to
50. It's really nasty how GGA is acting. Look at that. Just nasty. About to break the high, and then someone says 4-hour at resistance. Yeah, that could be a possible issue right there. But I think you're more looking to fill this wick right here. So I don't know. You could take it into consideration 100%, but these candles already went there. So I think based on these candles, you could maybe accept the fact that this might not be that important anymore, and just you made a high low, and then this is gonna retest the high and maybe make another. It maybe goes up, maybe it doesn't, because that's a strong zone at the end of the day. But it's making higher highs and higher lows now, so it's moving. Yeah. I think for the people that really want a second entry, like a I forgot the name. Like just give the trade a second chance. Why did I forget that? I think even if this 30-minute candle starts closing bearish, you could maybe give the trade a second chance when the 30-minute high gets broken, because then it just did a break and retest and then continuing up. Personally, I'm not gonna take it because it's a Friday and one trade enough is enough for me, so I'm all good.
Yeah, I'm debating if I should take it because, like we took the first entry and managed it out at break even, right? But now if I enter at the break of the high, I'm basically entering where my partial take profit of the first trade was, and that's
the thing. For me, some people are like, okay, why didn't you stay in? This and that. At the end of the day, on my MetaTrader, 30-minute pretty much closed without a wick for me. This is pretty much no wick for me. So I was 7-8 pips in like 7.4 pips in profit. Yeah, at that time there's more things coming against me, so it just makes a lot of sense for me to just close like my entire position at break even, because 100% the lower time frames are showing maybe some structure on the 5-minute, but at the end of the day 30-minute is a lot stronger. This is a lot stronger confirmation candle. 1 hour close without pretty much a wick, so why would the 5-minute be stronger than the 1 hour and 30-minute candle?
Yeah, had it closed with a wick, I would have probably wouldn't even have closed any positions.
No, if it closed with this wick to the left, this wick right here to the right, and then put it to the left, it would have been perfect. Then we would have continued moving up 100%. So, guys, don't forget to give it a like. Would be awesome. Also, the guys in the Zoom, I see you, 26 people and only 11 likes. Come on. Just a small effort.
Take a look at gold real quick.
Yeah, sure.
So I see a pretty heavy resistance right there at the 1700 to 1700.5 range, and it kind of looks, especially on the 15-minute, 5-minute chart, that it's bouncing straight back off that.
Yeah, this might be an important level.
Yeah, I mean 1700. That's real psychological.
Yeah,
I think it's retesting that and then dumping back down.
Yeah, it could. Maybe. It's Marco's here. He could explain you some more. Yeah, probably. But I think it's best to wait first for a bearish candle to close, because candles are acting bullish right now.
Sure.
That's the thing I would do.
Yeah, I'll close my position below that 15 minutes.
Yeah. That's yeah, guys, it is what it is. Hopefully most of us got out of break even. At least I did. MSRP pretty much did.
Oh
yeah,
wow!
This is I wasn't looking. I was looking at gold.
Yeah.
This is GJ in a nutshell. Takes you to 7-8 pips, and then for this week, and then boom, back down. And we didn't even have a bad entry. Imagine people got hit on the close. Yeah, probably not a lot of people got in because there was no wick, but might be people that got in. Well, it is what it is, Friday, so you shouldn't have taken it too hard. Much risk. Personally, I use my normal risk, but at the end of the day, I'll manage to take it out as fast as possible. Damn, it's down. Look at that. Oh, damn. Crazy. Yeah, probably it's reacting on that 4-hour level further left. 100%. Exact same level it went towards. Hopefully no one is in when it's dropping that hard.
Yeah, and this is what I mean when I say gold respects supply and demand much better. If you look at like the daily time frame on GJ, when I came to the charts, it had created its bottom wick. It was flipping bullish and creating its body, and now what we see is that it's probably going to start flipping bullish, bearish, like it doesn't know what to do. But gold, if this was gold, it would have just kept pumping, filling the wick, and moving in that direction.
This is just GJ.
Yeah. So could we take
fun fact, I said it before, like, bro, it's I had such the feeling it was gonna hit 7-8 pips and then just fly back down.
This time you jinxed it.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, Luke, you jinxed it hard. I don't believe in that kind of stuff, but mate, this was all you, buddy.
Yeah, probably. The market, have my mic.
No, but you know what?
It's gonna go 6 pips. Go back down.
Like,
yeah.
I'm glad I only lost half of what I was anticipating to lose. So it's like it feels good, man. Just to lose like a lot less than what I had initially gone into the trade.
That's perfect. That's really good.
So I'm asking myself, if it's not a buy, maybe it's a sell.
Yeah, but I'm afraid you gotta chill out, man.
But I don't know.
Buying, selling is not a good idea. Like if it's like Wednesday or something, yeah, then you could change your bias. Maybe it's in your plan to change bias. I don't know. I haven't read your plan, but
not very
I think it's
specified.
Yeah. On a Friday, just chill out. It's gonna be a weekend soon. You're still in profits pretty much. So why,
Master P, why would you say it's sell, like in terms of what?
Well, you can sell below here.
I see a fake out on the 30-minute, and on the 15-minute, I see a structural break of support to correct the bullish move.
I know fake out's gonna move fast.
Yeah, I kind of just want to enter on the break of this low, but
relax, man, relax. Stop loss gonna be massive.
Well, I would just have a fixed.
Yeah, a fixed one probably.
So the range is kind of small. There's no higher time frame confirmation. Well, 4-hour is flipping bearish. That's it. Yeah, I'm just gonna call it a week.
Yeah, it's best to do. That's best to do, my friend.
See if on the hourly chart we can close on gold. We can close above 1700 to correct the move down.
Yeah.
Oh, GU is giving some sort of confirmations to continue bearish as well.
Bro, the card that I sent you yesterday, man. Oh my god.
What happened yesterday?
The card that I sent you on WhatsApp yesterday.
Oh, the car.
Yeah.
Oh, I heard something else. Yeah, man, that was crazy.
Yeah, it's a manual as well.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, man. Flat 6.
Yeah. Those are goals.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I would love to own one day, but they're pretty expensive because they're pretty rare.
True, that one was like extra.
Yeah, I didn't like the red accents though because I don't know. I would change the caliper color and the dials and the clusters. It was sick car. Price tag wasn't that sick though.
No, it was huge.
Yeah. Not doing much today.
No surprise there.
Yeah. It was a nice breakout right there that we did catch pretty much. We didn't make any profits, but you know, we did go up at the end of the day.
Bro, like, I don't see what's so hard to get like an extra 3 pips for GJ.
Yeah.
Literally extra 3 is all I needed.
Yeah. Yeah, 2.5 pips extra.
Ay.
There is someone in the chat saying, I want to buy Bitcoin, please. Well, I don't have any, so you can't buy it from me. I don't know. I think
we're not a broker. It's like, oh yeah, let me put that order in the market
I'll send
for
you
you
some.
over there.
I think you're too late for it to enter
Bitcoin,
this now. You should have been in this rally right here.
Mm-hmm.
It's like one of those selling tunnels as well, you know. That it's here, it's creating something, getting some hype. People are getting in. So like 100,000 million people are getting in right here, and now it's gonna go down slowly and maybe go up further again. You know, you never know. But 47,000, I don't know.
Took a paper trade sell on GJ.
Okay.
Over here, once it broke that low.
Yeah, it's better just to paper trade it. Yeah, if you've seen this happen on a different day, you could have 100% taken it. 100%.
Yeah, at least
paper
trading it.
What's your paper trade entry?
Well, just once it broke the low at 0.100.
10 pips already to the 12 pips to the next support. So
yeah, at least I get that itch of taking a trade away.
Yeah,
the paper trade.
Yo, guys in the Zoom, I know I said it many times. Don't forget to like just a small saying of that you like the Zoom session as well. You know, helps me, helps some different guys as well, like Master P. Yeah, Ricardo, he's not talking right now. The guy from Australia, he's to the beach surfing. Nice.
Oh, and the paper trade is working out.
Yeah. Pretty good.
GU continuing lower as well.
GU is like perfect salesman.
Mm-hmm.
15 minutes
damn.
on.
Yeah, if you do that 30
half an hour later.
Retest it.
Boom.
Yeah,
the level right here. Oh my god. I saw that
GU
line right there. Yeah, go ahead. Sorry.
Sorry. Yeah, I mentioned GU was giving confirmations for sells once it closed below and it was going up. I was like, oh, perfect.
Yeah, that's nice. Build these wicks to the left. And then maybe further down. Yeah, to these levels right here. 482 super target. Great. How far do I have to go? Right. Damn.
Ooh, paper trade hit 10 pips. Yay.
Not your real trade, but it is what it is.
Woohoo.
Oh,
I
I'm
made
going way too far.
I made
Fine.
$1,000 on this trade.
Very nice, very nice.
Of paper money, monopoly money.
Yeah, man. Look at that retest. You know, break, retest.
Yeah.
I see this happen so many times, but there's on a different pair right now. But it happened on GJ as well. Now, if you look at GJ, you know, when we got down here, tapped this level based on 15 minutes, you can see it. Tapped it, and then probability of continuing up was pretty high, but it didn't. But they say that pairs like GU and EU and some of those other pairs are more structured than GJ sometimes, right? I don't trade them. I don't really look at them, but if setups appear that they're cleaner.
I don't think so. At least not.
I don't know. Some people say it, but I don't know.
With GU and GJ, they're not all too different.
Okay.
I think GJ moves more than GU though. From what I see.
Yeah. Imagine getting these crazy entries. 100% people are doing that. Entering based on retests.
Oh wow, look at the rejection on GJ.
Yeah, that's Yo, Nick.
Still here.
You playing some Apex right now or not?
No, not even. Looking back at the screen.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for London Open to happen. And I think I'm gonna call it a weekend after that.
I mean, if you're looking at it structurally, there's still a lot of potential for it to go high, you know? Like, the wick still didn't make a lower low.
Wait, what candle?
This candle currently that you're looking at, you know, the low of this candle is still higher than the previous lower high.
Yeah. True.
And it looks like another test
Yep.
on that, you know,
yeah, could do.
150 precisely.
Yeah,
you know?
makes sense.
The lower. and then it can go retest that overall market high of 150, 600.
Yeah, makes sense.
But then it's a Friday, you know, it's a Friday,
Yeah,
and like
take it
we've
easy.
already done one trade. I
Yeah.
don't want to add nothing more.
Did you take a loss?
Yeah, I closed half in break even, and I closed half in, well, I closed not break even, I closed half in like -2.
Yeah.
Right? And then I closed the rest below the 15-minute candle, which was like minus. Like it worked out to be like half my position loss.
But that's so good.
Risk.
50%. That's so good.
Yeah, no. I'm still up like at least 4 trades this week.
The thing is, if you manage that risk, you can take the same trade twice, and actually, you just make your risk reward a lot better by, you know, managing the trade. You can just take the trade twice and still have just one loss if you're able to manage it to like 50%.
No, I'm done for the.
Yeah, not today, but
yeah, but if it was like Wednesday or like Tuesday.
Yeah, but even if you take a trade on Wednesday and Thursday and you took 2 positions at the same lot size one day and the other position at the other day, and you both lost only 5 pips on them, wow, even targeting 10 pips as a loss, that's still good because you took 2 trades and only had 1 loss. So
yeah,
you know,
yeah,
just depends. It shows you how many times you can shoot with the same risk.
Exactly. I understand what you mean. Just like instead of the normal 10 pips SL, then just keep it at 5 pips, you know? Yeah.
No, I mean you lost now 5 pips, right? And by managing that risk and doing that over and
I've
over
got
again
another
in the next trade,
5 pips to play with.
Pretty much, no. It's like you take one trade, it's 5 pip loss. You take the other trade, but you're expecting to lose 10 pips. That means that you just, you know, you can shoot twice if you're consistent with only losing like 5, 4, 6, 7 pips. Then you know of yourself you can shoot twice, only having
yes,
the risk it like
I understand what you mean.
Yeah, you can risk it twice on by just losing it.
Yeah, I think we could. Oh, sorry. Go ahead. I have some.
No. What I was saying was like, you know, that's like today. I'm not going to take any trade. It's like my first loss in about 2 weeks, I think. Like since my last loss day was the Friday.
You've been really good.
The second last Friday. So it's like 2 weeks exactly.
You've been better than me now. This week was a mess for me. But at the end of the day, it's not bad. It's not bad at all.
Also, I think maybe why we're seeing such weird movements or such stuff is because Brexit came to an end on the 31st of December. So we are trading outside of Brexit conditions. Maybe that's why before it was so crazy.
Yeah. I'm gonna make my chart right now already. I don't have to do that later on.
Look, if you have a look at the hour candle, just for a sec.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
It's gonna close in about 12 minutes time.
Yeah, maybe it's gonna.
If this closes above that zone.
Yeah.
That's what I was gonna say. It's completely rejected the 150.
I'd be careful
looking
now
at
with
that as
buys
well.
because now it's pretty much a resistance. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Could be pretty dangerous. I'm not in a trade, but I'm gonna make my chart, so it seems like I'm in a trade, but I'm actually not. What was my original stop loss? Oh yeah, just right here. Yeah, the range was good though. Only just you know, the volume on GJ was just too low for it to push higher. And guys, remember, if you're already in profits for it, you know, this week, why blow it on a Friday? No need to.
After strong, you need to add G strong, I think.
What?
Misspelling very strong. I know
I was
you
doing the
forget
G. Sorry.
that, but I search strong. What is strong?
Strong. Powerful. You know?
No. I know strong, but when I not see the G, I'm like, what's that word?
I got no idea. I misspelled it. I don't know what that word is.
Anyone trade in NFP?
Oh no.
No.
Okay.
I think I have a friend who does trade NFP.
News only, right?
Mm-hmm.
Crazy. Well, if you're experienced, you know, you probably might understand what's going on. What could happen in certain situations, you know.
Hey guys, I'm out for today.
Yeah, man.
Take care,
Thanks
guys.
for tuning in, man.
Take care.
See you next week.
See you next week, man.
Ciao.
Guys, I have a problem a little bit.
Uh-huh.
When I have a winning streak, like week or 2-3 week, or a real good month, after that I'm start to not cutting losses short. I'm like my mind tell me, okay, this will be turn, and I'm start overconfidence myself.
Now follow your plan.
Then
yes, you are right.
Yeah.
Actually, but not easy to say sometimes.
Say and do. Yeah. I understand.
Missing.
I think. When did you take a loss?
I mean, start of the this year in January and February, I make like 60% in my account, and that's great. But this week, like -5%.
I should.
Not too bad.
How much risk do you use per trade?
Not definite. Yeah, not. I'm up to 3. Maybe if very good setup, 4.
Okay.
Not my account not so big, so I can afford that lose.
How many trades do you take a day?
Oh, I'm a little overtrade.
Yeah, I think that's the first thing
I'm
you
with
gotta.
you, and I'm with then join the Raja and on and off looking for the NA's stock exchange open.
I think you need to stop overtrading. That's gonna be a huge thing already. Just staying patient, not taking everything you see. I know it's all good. You're up now 55%, negative 5%. All good for the last 3 months. That's good. You know, that's better than most people. I think because of the overtrading, you could, you know, show more emotions while going into drawdown and thinking you're gonna make it anyways because you know, you're confident enough, and by emotions I mean the confident side. So I think, how many trades do you take a day? Like how many? Around, like, general, like if you.
I'm like if
approximately.
If there's a real good entry, a real good setup, I'm not a problem with taking 3 or 4 trades. Normally 2 or 3, that's done.
Yeah.
But if a good thing's coming, I'm continuing.
I think you just have to keep it by 3 trades. Just 3 of them. 3 is okay. It's not that bad, but still not the best.
Okay.
But I think you just need to stop at 3 trades, even though the best setup comes, you know, blah blah. You know, I know the situation, but I think you just need to let it go after that. Now, you make your trades, you make your money probably, when you're up 60%.
Sorry, I can't follow that last sentence.
I think if you made your trades, like 3 of them, just call it a day and accept the profit you got and don't follow the markets anymore. I know maybe the best setup comes after your trades have been taken, but these setups aren't in your trading plan anymore, so you're not allowed to trade them. So I think you need to really get disciplined, write yourself a trading plan. Do you have a trading plan?
Not really. Yeah, I mean, I journal my trades and I define the winning ones and the losing ones. I realize that the best trades I take, it's pop up 5 pips in my way and going that way.
I think the best thing to do is create a trading plan first and tell yourself things not to do and things you're allowed to do. Your weaknesses, strengths, the time frames you trade on, times to avoid, you know, the pairs that you trade and your goals. I think that's really important to do right now, because if you're trading without a trading plan, you got no rules. The game doesn't have any rules. And if you got no rules, you're gonna do stuff that you don't always want to do. Always need to do, or you know.
I make
have a template if you want it.
Oh, can you send me?
Yeah, sure. If you send me your email on Slack, I'll send it to you.
Okay. I will.
There's even different templates as well. Yeah.
You should look in the database. There's a webinar on trading plans.
Yeah, that exactly explains how to make one. I have a template already for you that you can set everything up, you know. But just watch that webinar as well.
Okay. Thanks, guys.
No problem.
I will make in weekend and send you or here to review.
Yeah, sure.
If you
no
have
problem,
a time.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thanks.
The recap of Master P. Let's look at that first before I finish my chart.
I mean, we did the same thing.
Yeah. It is what it is. 40 pip range, yeah, it's a nice range.
That's crazy. 40 pip range and can't even move an extra 3 pips for us. God damn.
Yeah, we couldn't even get 10 pips. 8 pips, and it's like, nah, you ain't getting no more. I jinx it. Gotta say, I jinx it. This is 5. I think 5. There we go. Yeah, but at the end of the day, I'm happy about the result. How we managed to risk after being in profit. Most of it.
You know, I think next week I'm really gonna focus on gold to see if I can catch that, just that like one big move a week. Because this week I called out like that 40 pip move. When was it? Like I think Tuesday, Wednesday, but I missed it because it was a 5-minute confirmation, and I just wasn't looking at the gold chart during that time, so didn't take it. But those kind of trades, they're the ones that, like, you know, can make the difference in the monthly returns at the end of the month. So
yeah, 100%. Yeah, I'm slowly looking into gold as well. I'm not because I've been so far away from it. I really need to get back into it.
yeah, true.
Like
I've been
down.
observing it for 3 months now, 4 months.
Yeah, I haven't, so I really need to start doing that.
In my whole Forex career, I've taken 232.
Yeah.
Not even that much. Like in a whole year.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's last May. Yeah, imagine the experience we would have when we have like taken 10,000 trades.
Yeah,
easy.
Insane. Yeah, that's gonna come. This is just learning time. It's just like, you know, sitting in a classroom trying to learn how to trade.
Yeah.
And that's why I think, you know, making a good journal is really important, that you see what you're doing.
Definitely.
Yeah, 9 o'clock. Didn't do that much. Just pushed up and down. Didn't even break any highs or lows.
London session has been lacking a lot of volume lately, to be fair.
Yeah.
It was looking like we would start rocking and rolling this March from the first few days of this week, but then it became a little washy.
Yeah, I mean, like, you know, like part of the Brexit agreement, there was around 1.2 trillion euros assets, like worth assets to be moved to the European Union's. There's about 810 billion still left, you know, worth of assets to be moved out. So they probably investors are a bit skeptical to jump in, you know, in the London market, and that's why we've been seeing lack of volume, and we've been getting all the good moves in the NY session.
Yeah, true. I think it has to do with Brexit as well. I wouldn't say New York has been getting all the good moves because I watch this stream quite often, and like I think last week was also pretty shitty for the New York session.
Yeah, I mean, like I remember before when the volume in the London session was good, is you always get like a liquidity grab on the 15-minute, maybe on a 5-minute. You always have a nice rejection. Like if the bias was a buy, you get a nice rejection to the downside, and then you get a confirmation on the 5-minute, and then the London Open, you just get a nice push, like 20, 30 pips easily, but it hasn't been the case lately. So
Also NFP week, so
Yeah.
that.
Might be just ranging for now, even though it's not directly VP news.
yeah, the issue with GJ is it hasn't been having good volume since like I'd say the 3rd week of January. Before that, I've been trading the London session really well, and then I'd say I haven't. In February, I've only took 3 or 4 trades in London session for GJ, and out of them 4 trades, I've lost 3 of them. I don't want to break even, so I decided to keep the London session on hold until the volume gets better.
True.
It's also like some of the moves that we've been seeing in the London session have been coming out like pre-London, like around 6 a.m., 7 a.m. Probably it's the volume that's like around the Asian session close.
There we go. Sure, it's done. Very nice.
If you have a time, can you check GU, GBP USD? It's like a good sell option.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, we talked about GU.
Yeah.
It broke down. I think now it did like a retest, and
here it is.
Pretty good.
Yeah. Oh, damn, that's pretty nice. Yeah, I retested that. I think based on the, what did I do? I think based on breaking this low, you could have entered Or maybe on a 15-minute close, you could have entered.
Yeah, you have to also keep in mind you're approaching a daily support.
Yeah, that's the thing.
7 pips away, so.
Nearly broke that 30-minute previous high. Damn.
Yeah, GU today was better than G.
Yeah, definitely. Guys, still don't forget to give it a like. We're still missing a couple of likes. You know how close that is. That target. Oh well, it is what it is.
Yeah, I think we're gonna go call it a week over here.
Yeah, me too. Ooh, someone took EN buys 30 pip.
Oh, nice.
Pretty good. Yeah, I'm
gonna
call it.
Thank you, Luke. Thanks, Master P.
Yeah, man. Thank you for tuning in, showing some value, 100%.
Yes.
And guys, thank you also for tuning in. Call it the weekend. Please don't overtrade. Don't over risk. I always say, please don't. You know, gotta go good in the weekends. Profitable.
Thank you, guys. Thank you for the stream.
Yeah, man. Thank you as well for tuning in, man.
Thank you.
So, I'm gonna end it by this one. Thank you guys for tuning in.
Take care.
Take care, guys. Bye bye.
Thank you.